Going to be removing the exhaust cam on the head. So I can inspect the valve stem seal on the piston 1 exhaust side. Second valve. Hopefully it's just the seals and not the valve guides. Now I need to remove the valve spring. Need to compress it and take off the locks. And the way I do it, I made this C-clamp years ago. It was a 5/8 spark plug. Cut this little gap out and then put some cloth and zip ties so I don't scratch up the bottom surface. Let's see if I can get this on cam. So I have the spring off. This is a piston 1 exhaust side, valve 2 from the right side of the cams, and yep, it's gonna be the valve guide. You can see it right there. Now, the installer who put these guides in fucked up, hammered it in all the way and cracked that fucking seat. Pretty pissed off. I mean, I inspected it, I saw it and it was small, tiny ass crack, and you know, you live and learn. I'm kicking myself in the ass. I should have confronted them about it. But I thought, you know, these guys I was going with these guys for a long time, and you know, shit. So I can't take off the seat with the magnet, but I do have this pick. Let's see if I can focus. It's used for electronic circuit boards and other use. So I'm gonna try to lift it up. So now that I diagnosed the problem of the leaky valve stem seal guide, gonna call it a quits on this head. Machine shop fucked it up. Like I said, I was going with them for years, and I guess whoever the guy was, I don't know if he might be new or half-ass shit that they did, fucked up $400 down the fucking drain. It was a while back, so I mean, can't cry over spilled milk now. I should have said something in the beginning when I had noticed that, but like I said, it was a small baby crack at that time. Thought nothing of it. Obviously, pressure and all that, you know, pressure that's flowing through the head caused it to crack more, and it's leaking. Not too sure if it's repairable. I would even consider it repairable to get down there with the TIG welder and a small TIG head torch and weld that up and machining it. Sucks because now thankful I have another extra head, but I'm gonna have to clean up all that the aluminum casting around the edges and get that head prepped up. Have performance valves and these cams. I got bigger cams, so I might as well just, since it's already off and taken apart, let's just go ahead and build that other head. We'll need a Kigley regulator for this one. Do away with the stock. That's about it. Everything else is OEM, rockers, and that is pretty much it. The rockers and the lifters. I'm lying. The lifters are I want to say from a 1G or a different 4G 63, because the stock ones on that hole's a little bit tinier. It's a little bit tinier than this one. I forgot where I found these at, but yeah, stock lifters and everything else is aftermarket. So I'll be rebuilding the head. I'm gonna see how much some springs are and find a real worth it shop machinist to take his damn time and build that other head. You know, valve guides were performance ones on this side. From the previous video I said I cracked some valve guides and replaced them, and obviously whoever that installer wasn't freaking careful to, you know, take his time hammering that guide in. So the seals are good, valves are good,